TS Policy 2021 admissions detailed notification is out. Here it says payment of processing fee, slot booking, certificate verification, and option exercise for web-based counseling. The qualified candidates of TS Policy 2021 engineering state rank holders who had passed SSC or its equivalent, desirous of seeking admission into diploma courses in polytechnics of Telangana state are informed that the payment of processing fee, slot booking for certificate verification, and option exercise will commence as per the schedule given below. And for details, you have to visit the website tspolicy.nic.in. And here it is telling agriculture state rank holders of TS Policy 2021 desirous of seeking admission into diploma in agriculture, seed technology, organic architecture, and agricultural engineering courses must visit this website. Engineering state rank holders of TS Policy 2021 desirous of seeking admissions into IIIT Basara courses have to visit this website. So those who are interested to do agriculture, visit this website, and interested to take admission into IIIT Basara, visit this website. Now the first phase, you will have online filling of basic information, payment of processing fee and slot booking for selection of helpline centers, date and time to attend for certificate verification. The dates will be from 5th August to 9th August, that is, it has already started. Then certificate verification for already slot booked candidates is 6th August to 10th August. Those have already booked the slot, these are the dates. Then exercising options after certificate verification, 6th August to 12th August. Freezing of options, that is, options will close at 12th August. Provisional allotment of seats on 14th August. And payment of fee and self-reporting through website on between 14th August to 20 August. Then online filling of basic information, payment of processing fee and slot booking for selection of helpline centers for not attended candidates in first phase. Those who didn't attend the first phase of counseling, they can again attend at 23rd August. Then certificate verification for already slot booked candidates in the final phase will be 24th August. Certificate verification is over and before dates for just counseling, but here this final phase. Exercising options 24th August to 25th August. Then the options will close on 25th August and seats will be allotted on 27th August. Payment of fee self-reporting through website 27th August to 31st August. Reporting at the allotted college 1st September 2021. Students have to report at the allotted college on 1st September 2021. And the academic session will start at 1st September 2021 for diploma first years. And the orientation program will be from 1st September to 4th September, and the classes will start from 6th September. And for students who are taking spot admission for private and aided colleges, the spot admission will be on 1st September 2021. They can approach the college and take the admission, and this is the website for taking spot admission. Candidates and parents are advised to exercise as many number of options as possible to avoid disappointment of not getting a seat. That is, you have to put many options, option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4 for colleges. So therefore, while exercising the options, every care needs to be taken so that the correct college and correct branch is chosen. Then eligibility for admission. The candidate shall be an Indian national. Candidates should belong to the state of Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. Candidates should have passed SSC examination conducted by State Board of Secondary Education, Telangana or Andhra Pradesh. Or some details are given. Then some more details are given about payment of processing fee, slot booking and certificate verification. And what are the certificates to be produced by the candidate at the time of certificate verification? You have to bring the TS Policy 2021 rank card, Aadhaar card, SSC or its equivalent marks memo, 4th to 10th study certificate, TC, income certificate and caste certificate. And candidates might also need residence certificate if a candidate has a period of 7 years to qualify. Then some rules are there for physically handicapped and sports or minority Anglo-Indians. Okay, you can go through all these. I'm attaching the PDF in the link of this YouTube video. And final phase of allotment of seats will be 27th August 2021. So all the best. Those who want to take admission on spot admission or private admission within Hyderabad, they can also take admission in Nawab Shah Alam Khan College of Engineering. It's a good college. Okay. And those who are staying in Hyderabad. And rest, it's your wish. In whichever college you want to take, you can take. But all the best. Don't waste your year. Take admission, study well. May God bless you all. Thank you very much. If you have found this video helpful, then please like, share, subscribe, click that bell icon.